Yes, here. So today I'll be explaining to you a bit on how the Peasy dashboard works, right? So let's begin with, say you like to create a new campaign. Okay, so you'll click on create new campaign, right? And these are the available objectives on Peasy. I'll just explain a bit to you on what each objectives are and how they correspond as well to, say, the platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and say Google as well, right? Google AdWords. Okay, so let's take a look. Okay, so reach and impression. So the objective of reach and impression is to get you as many ad impressions as you can possibly get, right? This will actually correspond to the branding objective on, say, Facebook and Google AdWords. The examples of this will be brand awareness, reach campaign, right, on these respective platforms. Now, clicks. So clicks then is actually for, say, when you actually want to get more clicks through your ads, right? You want better click-through rates, right? You want more volume in terms of clicks. So this is what the clicks objective is, right? Then moving on to traffic. So traffic is, you can think of it as, if you are a retail store and you want to get more people into your store, right? But that's just not all, So that's literally how traffic works. So you like, this campaign is to help promote your website or your landing pages, right? So then you can get more people in it. But the other advantage is that on Peasy itself, right, is that Peasy will also optimize based on the bounce rates, right? Keeping it nice and low, you having a better CPC, more engagement as well within your website. So that's what the traffic campaign helps in terms of promoting, right? You can think of traffic as the supercharged version of the clicks objective. Yeah. Then we have conversions. Now, conversions is when, say, you have a goal that you would like to drive. So, for example, if you are in e-commerce, you would actually like to, drive more sales of, say, a certain product, right? So that's where conversion steps in. But do bear in mind that conversion actually uses your Facebook pixel, right? And with that being said, is that in order for you to actually use the conversion objective, you will actually require a Facebook pixel, say, with up to 7 events in the past 14 days, right? That's the bare minimum. And of course, you will also need a Facebook pixel. If you would like to know how to set that up, we'll actually have a video up on that soon. So yeah. Right, yes. So speaking about the Facebook pixel itself, right? So say that you don't have a Facebook pixel itself set up, right? You actually see this conversion campaign, the button itself will be grayed out, right? So again, if you like to use conversion campaign, have your Facebook pixel set up and have conversions or events within those pixels, right? So okay, another explanation here as well is that for reach and impression and clicks, right? The channels available for this is Facebook, Instagram, and AdWords. On the other hand, for traffic and conversion, right, it's only available for Facebook and Instagram. Now, this being the reason is because we're actually working on rolling out our Google Analytics integration itself. So once that is up, you'll actually be able to do traffic and conversions through Google AdWords. Okay, so now with that basic explanation of what each of these objectives are, right? So depending on your requirements, your business requirements, what your digital marketing your campaign strategy is, right, in your digital marketing, right? these are the objectives you can choose from, and you can easily just click create campaign, and after that you'll be brought onto the campaign creation page, right? That's where you set up your campaign. Now, the other parts of the dashboard itself. So say if you actually like to take a look at campaign reports, none of these campaigns are actually running because these are actually just test campaigns, right? So you would like to take a look at your reports. What you can do is you can just click on test campaign on the name of the campaign itself, and that will actually navigate you to a reporting page. That will be covered in a different video as well, right? If you like to edit your campaign, you can also click on this icon here. This will actually bring you into the editing pages where you can edit a number of things, from your campaign settings to your creatives to reconfiguring your media plan, so on and so forth, right? Again, another video will be available for this as well. Then as you can see here that the campaign itself is currently paused, right? If you actually would like to re-enable this campaign, you can just simply click on this. The toggle switch will actually change to a different color, right? Once there is color here, you'll know that the campaign is actually active. You can also check on the platform side as well, be it Facebook or AdWords itself, to see whether it has been set to active. So yes, say in the case that there is a failure in terms of deployment, you can also click on redeploy campaign. This will actually redeploy the campaign, but be sure to actually check on what exactly is the issue here, which you can do so by clicking on the bell icon here. The bell icon here is actually your deployment report. So if you actually click on any one of these, right, it will actually navigate you to a different page and will give you a breakdown of the deployment. So in this case, if there is an issue with it, it will actually tell you where and why the campaign deployment has actually failed, right? So you can just go into edit, fix that, and click redeploy. So that will actually deploy the campaigns onto the platforms if the campaign has no issues, right? Okay, so then the other parts of say the dashboard itself. So say that you're in the middle of a campaign creation, you were creating a campaign, you stopped at say media plan or so on and so forth, right? You exit back, because again, we're all human, we all have things to do as well, right? Sometimes other things. So yeah, so once you've left, right, don't worry, you can actually jump right back in where you left off by clicking on edit draft campaign and just clicking on continue. So this will bring you back into the campaign creation process, right? I'll explain it in detail as well in another video as well that will be available, right? So all you have to do is just click continue, or if you would like to delete that draft, you can click on delete. This will remove the draft completely, right? And then say you would like to, you actually like to change the connections of your campaign, of your connected ad accounts, right? You can simply just click on this, click on connected accounts. If you would actually like to log out, just click on log out. Though actually, yes, another point that I should actually bring up as well, right, in terms of the editing draft campaign itself. So say that you actually have campaigns within your draft. I would actually recommend that, say that in the case that you would actually like to change the connected ad accounts, right, through connected accounts, right? So you go on, you change the connected accounts, right? But I would recommend that you actually create a brand new campaign rather than continue and editing the draft itself, due to differences in understanding between Peasy's configuration of a campaign and the connected ad account, because those are actually it relies on one another. So if you remove that connection of say that said ad account itself, right, then Peasy no longer recognizes that connection, right? So if in the case that you do so, it would actually be better for you to actually delete that draft and actually create a brand new campaign. So okay, I'll explain a bit now on the available ad spend. So depending on your package itself, right, you will be given a cap, right, an ad spend cap. Now this ad spend cap is what is available to be spent in terms of ads on platform side. This isn't anything extra that you have to, that you will actually have to that you will actually have to pay Peasy for, right? This is actually owed to, say, either Facebook or AdWords, whatever you're running your campaign. So you can actually have a ad spend of up to, in my case, it's 6,150 in terms of ad spend through platform side. So, if I utilize this fully, then this is what I owe towards Facebook or AdWords. Because Peasy only takes in a flat rate depending on your package itself. So, for example, like Deluxe is only $49, right? And then say that this is not enough, you need more. So you can actually click on top up. Now this are only for the paying users, right? You can click on top up, where you can now increase the cap itself, right, to the desired amount. Okay, so then this will increase this. This will actually take you on towards the billing page and stuff like that. So if, say, that you are currently on free trial, right, you're on the free trial account, the top up option here won't be available. Instead, what's available is the upgrade now button. So you can click on that, choose your package if you so do wish to upgrade your account, right? Sign up for a package, and that's it's pretty much that simple. Yeah. So yeah, okay, so actually we're upgrading the account as well. You'll get full access as well to the other features of Peasy, of course also later on in the future as well. Once we start rolling out brand new features, new functionalities, right? So yeah, right, that's pretty much it for the dashboard itself. Pretty clean cut, simple, right? So alright, hope this actually helps in giving clarity to some of your questions. What does this do? What does that do? Right? And well, good luck on your digital marketing journey. Hope this helps. Have a good one.